Hey Team 101, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for gold and for crude oil from 24 till 25th June. So let's begin. Here we can draw a ascending channel for the gold, and we can see that the gold has been respecting this channel for quite a long time. Let me draw the support zone for the channel. That would be some like this, and this would be the resistance for the channel. That would be some around like this. Let me draw that in zone so we do not caught up the fake breakouts here. So here we can see that the market for the gold has been respecting this channel. We have seen a bounce upwards, then and test towards the support, then again and bounce upwards, then test towards the support, then again a bounce upwards and test towards the support. So our team 101, we have given a prediction or a signal that we can go for a long position some around here on the test towards this 50 and this support zone. Moreover, we were bearish for the gold due to the fundamentals. However, those fundamentals do not matter due to the bullish move being formed, and the fundamentals behind gold being bullish were greater than the fundamentals gold being bearish. Thus, we are expecting more bearish move for the gold, and recently going on in a smaller time frame on a 4-hourly chart. Here we can draw a potential resistance zone which have now turned into the support for the gold, and we can see in the past that the gold has been struggling to break this major resistance zone, and we have recently seen that the gold has made a bullish flag pattern, and we have seen and break through it. Here is the pattern. Let me zoom in so it's more clear. Here we can see that the market has bounces off after testing this resistance. Again we have seen a fake breakout upwards or a test towards this resistance, and we have seen a bearish move for the gold. Here again we have seen that the market has tested this area, and we have seen a bearish move for the gold. And here we have again tested this resistance area, and we have seen a breakout upwards. So what we are expecting for the gold is that we are expecting the continuation of this bullish move due to the fundamentals also, which I will explain in the later videos. Here we can see that the gold is potentially railing upwards. We can see a short-term reversal in the gold that would be just in order to test this support trend line which I am drawing. Let me draw that also and then zone so we do not caught up any fake breakouts here. Here I have drawn the support trend line. There are two situations what we can see in the market, that we can see either a test towards the support trend line, and then we can see a continuation towards this particular zone, which is this, or either we have seen a short-term bearish move in the market for the gold, and we can see a move upwards for the gold. Now coming on the fundamentals, why we are bullish for the gold is due to the fact that the virus surge raises risk of fresh lockdowns and EU mules ban on the US arrival. The rise in the COVID-19 infection in many states across the USA is gathering pace and rising the risk of renewed lockdowns to bring it under control. Texas, Arizona, and California all report record numbers of new infection on the Tuesday. Some 29 US states now have a reproduction rate, so-called R number, of over 1 level, a level that ensures that the virus is spread exponentially. Moreover, we are seeing new stimulus package being introduced in order to help the people surviving this COVID-19 era or a pandemic. Moreover, we have seen that the tax deadlines has been extended. Thus, these both factors conclude that we can see the devaluation for the dollar. Thus, gold is inverse to the dollar. As the dollar falls, we can expect the gold prices to rise. Thus, we are bullish on the gold. And what would be a great area to go long for the gold would be some around this. Some around a test towards 1766 with our take profit of this range with our stop loss just placed below the support trend line. This trade will give an risk to reward of 1 ratio 2.82 approx 3. Moreover, what I will be waiting for the gold to do is a test towards this support zone. As the market tested this support zone, I will go for a long position somewhere within target of this support range, which is some around 1806 with our stop loss just placed below the support trend line. This trade will give a great risk to reward of 1 ratio 5.37, and we can expect a bearish move for the gold as we have continuously experienced a bullish move. However, we are again bullish for the gold and we can expect an exponential move towards this key resistance. Thus, a great area to go long for the gold would be in an area which is some around 1766 till 17050. That is a great area to go long with our stop loss just placed below the support trend line, some around 1748 with our take profit some around 1806. That trade will give an extra reward of approx 1 ratio 2.383. Now moving on the crude oil. Now coming on crude oil on a 4-hourly chart, here we have seen a divergence which is a regular bearish divergence as the market was making a higher high and the indicator was making a lower low. Thus, we have suggest a bearish move for the crude oil. Let me draw the support trend line for the crude oil. Moreover, we can see that the crude oil was also making an ascending triangle. If this line is extend, thus we can see that the crude oil was also making an ascending triangle, a symmetrical triangle, and we have seen a breakout as shown. Thus we are expecting more bearish move for the crude oil, and the targets as major support and the minor support would be as follows. Let me draw that. That would be some around like here. This would be an major support, and this would be also a major support for the crude oil, and this will be a minor support for the crude oil. Moreover, we can also draw fib to place our take profit. Let me draw that also. Fib retracement, which would be some around here. We are again bearish for the crude oil, and we have seen a break through this support trend line as shown. Now we have also drawn the fib retracement, and we can see that the market has been falling exponentially downwards. The fundamentals behind the market falling is due to the fact that the COVID-19 cases are exponentially increasing and the US crude oil prices caught the COVID-19 jitter, falling back below the $50 on concerns that a new wave of infection will derail the current recovery in demand. And the VTI futures were down approx 1.4, and the price has been under pressure since the American Petroleum Institute reported a 1.7 million barrel increase in the US crude oil stocks on Tuesday afternoon. The US government officials dated are due to at 10:30 a.m. and a rise of 3 lakh barrel in the crude oil inventories is expected. Thus, we are having two factors which will cause or which will be act as in fundamentals for the crude oil being bearish is due to the fact that the US has found the new crude oil reserves and due to the COVID-19 second wave. Thus, our first take profit for going short for the crude oil, which would be some around on the test towards this trend line. Let me draw that also. Let me change its color to yellow so it's more prominent. Thus, we will go for a short position on a test towards this trend line, support trend line, with our stop loss just placed some around $40, 40.90, 40.69. Then our first take profit would be this Fib golden ratio, which is 38.2 and which is also a major support level. As let me show that the market has acted as a resistance some around here also it has acted as a resistance, and this range has acted as an support, major support over here. About 2 to 3 times it has acted as a resistance, and once it has acted as support. Or we can experience some pullback towards this support trend line, which is in yellow color, after touching this. Then if the market break this, thus our next key resistance level would be this Fib golden ratio, which is 61.8, which is also a support, major support, as the market has taken the support some around here also, some around here also, and some around here also. Thus we can expect that the market could potentially take the support over here. Thus we are bearish for the crude oil, and the first take profit would be this support zone, and our second take profit would be this support zone. Our first take profit will hit very recent or very quickly. However, the second take profit would take a time. Thus for gold we are bullish, and for crude oil we are bearish. Both fundamental and technical perspective are explained. If you do like my video, do like, share and comment below, and do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.